Okay.
So can I go ahead?
Please go ahead. Yes.
So we are looking at two variables there. First of all, we are looking at automatic transmission and manual transmission.
Yes.
We want to compare the gas consumption, that is fuel consumption, as it relates to automatic transmission and manual transmission.
Yes.
So therefore, we'll look at our table. We'll compare, we'll look at the car, which is automatic, which one is automatic there, and which one is manual. So we'll compare those two variables as it relates to fuel consumption. That is MPG.
Okay.
MPG, we collect the data for MPG and that of I think we are comparing with the weights, isn't it?
No.
We compare what?
No, right now we are dealing with only automatic and manual. Look at the question. Wait, maybe I should extract it out so that I see it clearly. Let me send it to Notepad.
I can see it now because you want to compare the automatic. That is, you are comparing automatic or manual against mile per gallon.
Yes, that's it.
Yes.
Yes. Not against weight.
Mile per gallon.
Yes.
Not against weight. Against mile per gallon. That's
right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what do you think?
Mile per gallon.
What do you think?
So
how do you think this problem
will be compared, because when you say mile per gallon, we are looking at the distance the car cover in relation to the fuel consumption.
Yes.
Okay. So in that case, automatic. Okay. We have the AM and the gear. Okay, which are the?
Okay. Let me load
I don't know.
Let me open the data. Let me open the data set. Yeah. This is the one that deals with that. This one.
Yes, AM and gear. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think the 0 is manual, I suppose. Let me confirm that. Let's see. AM. Automatic. Okay. Automatic is 0. Manual is 1.
Check it very well.
Yes. That's it. Let me show you.
Automatic is 0.
Yeah, let me show you. Look at it here.
AM, transmission type.
Yeah, look at it. AM, automatic, is AM 0.
Okay.
Manual,
Yes.
AM equals 1.
Okay. It's clear.
So let's go back to the data now.
Okay.
What we are doing now, we are studying the data. Before any analysis, you have to understand the data you are dealing with. Okay, so now we know that wherever there's 0, that's an automatic vehicle. When there's 1, these are manual vehicles.
Manual vehicle.
So we are trying to, okay, so let me let you land. Okay, please continue.
So now we are looking, okay. Automatic is 0 and manual is 1. So we want to compare the performance of
both of them.
Automatic car against manual as it relates to fuel
consumption.
Fuel consumption.
Exactly.
Wow.
That's the issue here. Can you see that is a very important
yes.
Very important analysis.
Yes.
Okay. So should we go ahead?
Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Now, what they are asking for, okay, if we have to compare, don't forget we are comparing two items. But these two items, they are replicated. Okay. So how can we reduce how many records are here? 30, 32 or so.
Like 33 also.
No,
Okay.
no.
32.
I think it's 32.
32. 32.
Okay. How can we reduce 32 items to 2? You see where summary is coming now.
Yes.
So, of course, we should be talking of average here, not sum, average. Okay. So we are going to try to get the average fuel consumption for automatic and average fuel consumption for manual, and then we compare them. The best way we can achieve that is let me copy, let me save this data with another name. Hmm. Slides, exercises. Hmm. Okay, can you still see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the best way we can do that is to find the averages. Okay. So let's convert this. Now, whenever we are going to do a pivot table, to do that, usually it's better to convert the data to a table. Just do Control T, click OK, convert it to a table. Then let's create a pivot table. Click on Home, rather click on Insert. Click on Insert. Then click Pivot Table. Okay, so the table we are using is this table one, this very table. And I want it to go to a new sheet. The pivot table, I want it to be on a new sheet.
Yes.
So I click on OK. So this sheet now, let's call it MPG by what? By AM. And AM simply means,
Automatic.
yeah, automatic, manual, auto, manual. Automatic dash dash. Okay. So now we are dealing with MPG, we are dealing with AM, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Then this AM, let me remove the AM. Instead of just clicking it, drag it to where you want it to be. Let me drag it to the rows, okay?
Okay.
So then for this, the value here for MPG, you are going to change it from sum to average. Click there, click value feed settings, choose average, click OK. Okay, so that gives you average there. And then of course, You can do some formatting there. See, sorry, let me see something. Okay, I just want to show you, you could do the formatting right here, where you chose average here. Click number formats.
Okay.
So you can format it here. Number, I want it to have 2 decimal places. I don't want it to be long like this.
Okay.
At least 1 or 2 decimal places is okay.
Mhm.
Okay, let me even use one decimal place. Click OK, click OK. All right, so you see here, it's simply telling us that automatic consume less fuel than manual.
Yes.
That's what it's saying right here now.
Straight.
Yeah, okay. Then
Yes.
something else you want to do, we want to see, you could create a chart for that, maybe a pie chart. Pie chart will be okay because it's just 2 items. So pie chart can easily handle that. Okay. Pie charts and that's the pie charts. Then let's do a little formatting here. Let me see. Design, can go to design. Let me say select data. You have total, you have this. Analyze. Okay. All right. So you can do this. You can data labels, be inside, outside, or whatever you want it to be. More options.
Yeah.
Labels, value from cell, value, percentage. Okay. So just put whatever labels you want to put there, however you want it.
Yeah.
Legend.
Mhm.
All right. So that is that. Of course, you can also make it in the form of percentages if you like. You can make it percentages. You can use percentages. So labels, data label, inside, outside. I mean, assuming I want it outside. Give me one percentage instead of value. Can do that. You can see why we can even do both. Okay. Right. Okay, so we can see that here there's a comparison. You can easily see from this that we can see that which one consumes more. The
You
manual.
should take the manual.
The manual consumes more. Okay. And you can also find the difference between this and this can easily be gotten. Okay, so you can see that on the average, the if you do this minus this now, okay, the difference
Mhm. Mm.
of variance.
That's, yeah. 4 minus 1 is 3.
Look at the variance
It's 7.
is equals what? Equals this
Mm.
minus this.
No, it's 7.3. No, 7.2.
7.2. Okay,
How will it 7.2? 7.3.
that's a lot.
Ah, it's 7.3. How is it showing 7.2?
Because no, these things are approximated. That's why it's like that. So it's using
Okay, 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 okay.
it's using the actual figure to do the calculation.
To do the calculation.
Not this one
Okay.
we are seeing here. That's a lot. Okay. So
Hmm.
this answers the question, that question you saw there.
Wow. That's just the answer.
Yeah.
After all the plotting of the graph, then we just come to the answer
Yes.
as 7.2 miles per gallon. Miles
That average difference of the average of the on the average, this is the difference
yes. The unit
in
now
fuel
is
consumption.
yes.
Uh-huh. That's sorry. Come again.
MPG. Man.
Come again.
That
Sorry.
is
Sorry.
the average is 7.2 MPG.
Sorry. Sorry. It's miles per gallon. Miles per gallon, which means
Yes.
which means the manual has higher, better fuel efficiency. That's what it's saying.
Manual is one.
Yes, it has
It,
better fuel efficiency than automatic.
eh,
Yes.
but from what I'm seeing here, it is saying that the manual,
Mm,
which is one,
yeah.
consumes an average of 24.4
No.
gallons.
No. The manual, which is one, if you put 1 gallon of fuel in manual, it will take you through 24 miles.
Okay.
Miles per gallon.
Okay.
But if
Miles
you
per gallon.
yes, but if you put 1 gallon of fuel in automatic, it will run for 17 miles. So
Mm.
the manual has runs for average of 7.2 miles um, more than automatic. So in terms of fuel efficiency, the manual is more efficient.
Compared to
Has
automatic.
better fuel efficiency. That's what the analysis is telling us.
It's okay. If we can we look at that legend again because I was thinking that 0 and 1, how it came about. I thought it was a representation of a manual. that they just choose 0 as representation of manual. And
Yes.
I mean, they choose 1 as representation of manual.
Yes, that's it.
And choose 0 as representation of automatic transmission.
Yes.
If that be the case, why are we not alluding that 0 becomes 1?
0 becomes 1. How?
When 0 is supposed to represent automatic. So because you are relating it that 1 gallon, but I'm not too clear. One mpg for manual better than, is it? I want to.
It's not the 0 and the 1 that makes that the case. So it's not the 0 and the 1 that matters. See, 0 and 1 are just mere labels.
Mere labels, yes.
Yeah. So, for example, we could easily say we could convert
From this
every
question
0
now.
here to automatic and convert every 1 to manual. Yeah. So okay. Yes.
From this question, how would I know that we'll be benchmarking our reference with 1 consumption of 1 gallon in relative to the 2?
Okay.
How will I benchmark? That is where
Good question.
I'm confused.
Good question. Now, how will they know? Because of this word here, miles per gallon. Miles per gallon means miles covered by 1 gallon.
Okay.
Miles per gallon. That's what that means.
Okay.
So this one simply means that 1 gallon of fuel runs for 21 miles. That's what this one means. This means that for this Datsun 710, if you put 1 gallon of fuel, it will run for 22.8 miles.
Okay.
Mercedes 230, if you put 1 gallon of fuel, that's mile per gallon. If you put 1 gallon of fuel, it will run for 22.8 miles. That's what this means.
Data analyst has to understand all this because
exactly. That's just what that per stands for. Miles per gallon means miles
by 1
by
gallon.
1 gallon. That's what that means.
Okay. Okay, I got it now. So it means that the manual
is more efficient in terms of
is more efficient, can travel more distance as compared to automatic.
I don't really know if that is the case in real life terms as at today, because this is as at
1973, 74.
It should still be the case.
Technology has improved.
It has improved. Well, we don't know. I don't know. So
over time.
Yeah, but with the data we have in analysis, you work with the data you have.
Yes.
So this is the answer to that question. Okay, but when you are doing analysis, you see what we are seeing now. This 0, 1 might be confusing.
Yes.
Might be confusing. So because of that, you may want to
change
some things. Wherever you have 0 here, you want to put 1. Wherever you have 1, you want to put 0. Okay. Yeah. So
no. I didn't get that. I didn't get that. Why will I change the opposite now? I'm talking. Well, I thought we want to choose things like.
sorry. No. I said whenever. Sorry. Wherever you have 0, you put automatic. Wherever you have 1, you put manual.
Manual. That is A and M. Automatic and manual. Yes.
Yes.
That is it. That is it.
So those are part of the data preparation we talk about, data cleaning, data preparation. Those are all part of it. Okay.
Or can we do that? Can we also manually do that on the pivot table? Or
By
can we?
the time you have created the pivot table, it's kind
We
of
can't do
rigid.
the pivot table.
It limits your editing.
Okay.
But
That's
you
true.
see, we normally do such as part of data preparation. Okay.
Okay,
So I
yes,
don't want to corrupt my empty cards. That's why you see I had to save it with a different name just now.
yes, yes.
So I've already copied it. The original one is there, so I'm not tampering with that one. So I can tamper with this one. So
Yes, let
let's do
me let's do that together now.
let's do
That's
it.
is zero is
Zero is automatic.
automatic.
So I'm going to do it here. Just watch. Equals if uh, that's an. Oh, I've converted it to table already. Okay. Uh, equals 0 equals 0. 0 is automatic.
Yes,
Automatic. Otherwise, manual. Okay. So you can see this first one now is telling me it's manual. Is that correct?
that's okay. It's changed to one is manual, zero is
So
automatic.
that's correct, right?
Yes.
So let's copy it down. Okay. So you see it's now manual automatic, manual automatic, manual automatic.
Doesn't I can
So
see second to the last one does not agree with that.
why do you say so? Manual,
Okay, is it one? I thought I saw zero there. Okay, it's
no,
one.
it's one.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
So
So I've copied it. So I want to paste it here now. Okay.
okay.
Sorry. So we can remove this now. So you see, we have done the conversion now. We've done the conversion. Then let's go back to our pivot table. Um, pivot table, go to analyze, click on refresh. You see it has changed it now.
Yes. Yes.
It has changed it now. I want us to do this label is interfering here. So let's see.
Okay, better.
Okay, let's for the label, let's move it inside. Let's move the label inside. Okay. So now the label is inside. Okay. We can also display it as percentage. 14 side. All right. So I mean, this is more informative, okay, than
It's more informative,
the
yes.
01 something.
More informative.
Yeah,
Why is this one showing minus 7.2? Okay, because it's taking it from okay. Okay,
because I
okay.
said this minus this also.
Yeah, that was okay. You need to reverse it.
B5 minus B4. If I had said B4 minus B5, it should not be minus, it should not be negative.
Not be negative, yes. That's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this solves that problem. So if you understand everything we have done now, then you'll be able to extract many more insights from this. Now we just worked on one of the columns now. You may also want to check out um, the, let me see. Okay, the V engine and straight engine. You can also compare them to see which one consumes more fuel. Okay, what's the importance of that? If somebody want to buy a car, for example, they want to know what's the fuel efficiency. Why do people buy some of these cars? They consider the economy, right? The
Yes.
fuel economy. So now you might want to compare the V engine with the straight engine to see which one consumes more fuel. So with the knowledge of which one we just did, I think you'll be able to do that.
Yes.
You may also want to compare weights, see how fuel consumption is affected by weight.
Wait. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So when you do this, you can do a pivot table each for a number of them.
Yes.
And then when we talk of dashboard, what you do in the dashboard is you just assemble some of these, the most important um, outputs, most important information in the on the dashboard. So at a glance, the stakeholder could just glance through and see a lot of important information all on one page. That's what dashboard is about. So it starts by creating the individual reports like this one.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll create them on different is it on different sheets?
On different sheets. Just like we created this one now, we could create
Yes.
another one. Let's say, for instance, we are trying to compare weights with miles per gallon. In that case, it's not going to be like this because here we are dealing with, this is not numeric data, this is descriptive data. Okay, it's categorical, descriptive, more like nominal.
Nominal.
Yeah, but this one is not the case here. That's not the case here. This is numeric versus numeric. So you're not going to be talking of this type of charts now. Okay, we're going to be talking of that type of chart. To be a different type of chart this time around. Okay, so let's say we have okay, let's just create that. Insert pivot table, new sheet, yes. Then we are doing miles per gallon with what again? With the
With
weight of the vehicle.
wait.
The weight of the vehicle. Okay. You see, it's a long one. Okay. It's a long one. So if I say weight and miles per gallon, okay, so now let's go to charts now. If you go to charts, pivot charts, what kind of charts are we talking about here? Do not give you extra starter, to give you a line chart. Give you a line chart. Okay, so here is giving you the relationship in the form of a chart. So you can see how the weight compares with the height. As weight is increasing, what happens to height? Sorry, what happens to fuel consumption? Well, this is amazing anyway. Sorry, not fuel consumption. I mean miles per gallon. Okay, it's not amazing. It's okay. You can see basically it's going down apart from this offshoot here. So
Yeah.
it's normal, it's going down, which means the higher the weight, the less the miles per gallon. So for bigger vehicle, 1 gallon will go shorter distances. For the smaller vehicles, 1 gallon will go higher distance, longer distances. So it's normal. It's a downward trend. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
On the x-axis, we have
The weight.
the weight.
Yeah. On the y-axis, we have the miles per gallon.
So,
Okay.
but let's look at this chart again, sir. So when it was 1.5,
Yeah.
so making 30 miles, isn't it?
When it was 1.5, yes, about 30
Is it
miles.
not 30 miles?
Yes.
When it was 2 point, okay. But I can see that at the instant where it came down, after 30, you can see there's a downward, a higher weight of 1.8 came down. I mean, 1.8, between 1.8 and 2. It came down before it rose up again, isn't it? Or what does it represent?
It's usually not straight, regular thing like that. Okay. But the general trend is downwards. Like, for example, this is kind of exception here.
Yes.
An exception where a car of weight of 3 point something,
Yes.
is going 50
Up
gallon,
to about 50, 57, 58 or
gallon,
so.
or the much heavier ones. Sorry. So this is an unusual case where you now find a car that is as heavy as 3 point something, is has a better fuel economy than a lower car with a much lower weight. This is an
Yeah.
this is an exception, but
Yeah.
generally we can see it's a trend that is
Al-
it's a downward trend.
Although, all the weights are attached to some specific cars.
Yes,
So it will
yes,
make us to know how those